All right, today we're going to take a look at an interesting little lock that I just received. I've been trying to get one of these for a while, and we are being sponsored in part by Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. That is 100 proof. So let's take a look at this lock. And I brought the timer out just for maybe I can work that timer into the opening. So here is the lock. It is a brass padlock. There's the serial number. And this is a registered U.S. mail brass lock. But I did not get a key with it. And it has been used 146 times. Now this lock can be used up to 9,999 times. So I have approximately 9,854 more times to open this, if I can open it at all. It's quite well used, a lot of dings on it. So from what I understand, it is a 3-pin lock. The pins are on this side, bottom side, and these normally have a key that I did not get. So I'm going to have to wing it and try to break into this U.S. mail padlock. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to put the timer on this because I think this might be easy. And then again, I could be wrong. I'm just going to use this little turning tool. Now the pins, I understand, are way at this side, so I'm going to have to go way in there. Let's start this timer. I'm just using a little bitty pick like that. And I'm going to go way to the back. And just start pushing these pins around a little bit. Okay. 28 seconds, I got this thing open. You can see that it's open there. And it's going to change numbers. It was 146, now it is 147. So I still have quite a few practice sessions to play around with this thing. And once it hits 9,999, it will not work anymore. So there it is, locked up again. I'm going to try that one more time just to show that it wasn't a fluke. Put this timer on again. Okay, like I said before, it is a 3-pin. From what I understand, the pins are all the way to the back. You can feel those pins moving around back there. Okay, there we go once again. 30 seconds to get this U.S. mail brass registered padlock. And it looks like it went from 147 to 148. So this is one of those fun locks I've always wondered about, and it looks like they're pretty easy to open. And the U.S. padlock definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.